Good morning, everyone. My name is Swati Chauhan, and the purpose of this interview is to practice interviewing myself for assignment. In this interview, I would be questioning reading on my laptop screen and will be answering one by one. So, here's question number one. Can you tell us a little about your background and experience in manufacturing? Good morning. Sure, I have 10 years of experience in manufacturing. I have started as a technical trainee and then worked my way up to being a production supervisor for a while. After that, I transitioned into being a manufacturing manager where I get to oversee the all aspects of production, including cost estimation, quality management, and scheduling. Next question. Can you tell us a little about your education background? Sure. I have received my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from VMI University. After that, I went on to pursue my master's degree in management from NIT University. And I have always been fascinated how things come into realization, how an idea turns into a thing. Also, during my college time, I was exposed to various operations and manufacturing techniques, which exactly sparked my interest in this field. Next question. Can you tell us why you chose a career path in manufacturing management? As I already mentioned in my previous answer as well, I have always been fascinated how products are made, how it transitioned from being a design phase to a final product. And also, as a manufacturing manager, I get this opportunity to oversee the entire process and also ensure that it runs smoothly and efficiently. And I also enjoy being able to take decisions which positively affect uh, or impact company's bottom line. And although it is challenging and dynamic, but it allows you continuous improvement and development, which is a lifelong learning. And I yearn for that. Next question. Can you give us an example of a particularly challenging situation you had to handle in your previous role as a manufacturing manager? Uh, One situation that comes to my mind is this particular time when we had to face shortage of a key raw material, and we had to come up with a alternate solution or alternate material while we can minimize the disruption to production and quality standards. And we were fortunate that we were able to find the right solution and implement it within a week. And by doing that, we were able to meet our production deadlines and also keep our customers' demand. Next question. Can you tell us about a successful project you have led in manufacturing industry? Okay. I led a team because of uh, which was based on new lean manufacturing system, and because of which project we were able to increase our efficiency by 20% in productivity, and almost 25% we were able to reduce waste. And during this time, what we did was we formed a cross-functional team and we identified the areas for improvement. And later we developed the plan because of which we could streamline the process and reduce wastages. Next question. How do you approach problem solving in manufacturing process? I am a strong believer of utilizing data. I collect as much as data I can, and upon analyzing that, we tend to reach to the root cause of the problem, what was occurring again, or it was a recurring or not. And then I work with my team to find the solution for the root cause or eliminate it, followed with a countermeasure, be it a preventive countermeasure or a corrective countermeasure. And I also believe in involving PDCA, which is plan, do, check it, Upon finding out the root cause, we can identify, after identifying the root cause, we can find a solution to it. And to how to implement the solution in the form of action is always first plan what we need to do, then implement that plan, which is do stage, then check whether what we have done is working or not, and if it is not, then act again, and the cycle goes on. Thank you. Next question. Thank you for sharing that. Can you tell us about your experience with budgeting, cost management in a manufacturing setting? I have experience in creating annual budgets and managing cost in a manufacturing setting. And I regularly analyze production cost and expenses to identify the area of improvement and take cost saving measures. And I also work closely with the finance team to know whether we are meeting targets and annual budgets or monthly budgets, and make arrangements if it is needed. Thank you. That was the whole intro, I believe.